welcome to this first video on my channel. It's not actually first video, but it's the first video where I'm gonna show you or take you along the journey of me taking a picture. Today we're gonna take a picture of a floating Rubik's Cube, because I think it looks really cool. It's a classical one, which I think looks really cool. But I also have a couple of others which I think look really cool. So, first off, I have this 2x2 cube, which has these black stickers on them. I also have it in 3x3 and 4x4, which isn't sold because I don't know how to. But I'm really close, look at it. So close. And I have the 5x5, which I'm not actually close with to solving at this point, but I've gotten really close, but it's just been laying there like this. So I think it's nice to actually mess us up a bit more for another type of shot. So let's head downstairs into the garden. The sun has just left us by. Let's head downstairs into the garden, take some pictures. Okay, so we are in my garden right now. No, not actually my garden, but actually the garden of my house, the house that I live in. And I got my tripod set up right here. Right there. There it is. I'm using it to take a picture this way. So, like, here it is. Now we'll keep the Rubik's Cube. Let me drop one. I'll just keep it up here, so like right in front of the camera, and I will throw it, and then it will be floating above my hand, kind of. That's the plan, at least. And I'll ask my roommate, and she will be helping me to press the shutter, which is very nice of her. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna set focus and such. So, all in all, I think this was a great shoot, and I got some great pictures. And the first one is one of my favorites. It was actually I took it just to get the focus right. But in the end, I really liked it. Second one actually is the kind of picture I went for. With myself in the background, with the cube actually floating just above my head. I really like it. I'm very happy with it. And the third and fourth one I think are very nice because of the cube that I used, the 5x5, which which has some more expression to it, I guess. Although it's kind of sad that I couldn't solve it yet. Well, I'm not using any help, so I guess that's why I didn't solve it yet. I'm just trying on my own. Yeah, this was a good shoot, and yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.